way you don't set my correct people. Don't be so much, you know. If I busy way, don't come out for don't preach woto. Don't give a back but my amazing people. Make una watch this video to the end. Make it not be saying on my mouth to not hear on my correct people. Hey. Now good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Depending according to your time when you come across my video, my amazing people. Please do not forget to like and subscribe Aproko Hot Gist TV. Like and share on the notification button. Anytime when I upload video, you are the first person to notify my amazing people. Don't be so more woto when Ipa Ibizugbe give don't prince. So hey, Ipa Ibizugbe talk a lot for this video, my amazing people. Well, now share and like, follow this page.
You be one try and form say you want to interview, they drove you away. Before a man video. Because why? You have offended the gods. Of you where no vio umia who's a boboro na bobopa. How can ya allow a man will not feel take care of his home. A man will not feel responsible for his children when he born. You got the breed children outside there, is sorted there. It's sorted there for waiting. Because of your own, you not valorant. Because of say your own, if you have a street, or babe social, or basic godmother. That is why you see family, you go want to make it put fire. No make an answer when you. And they look you sister, how the name of so Bob. And he say no you were. Hey, Monica me web page you soon. Monica me web page. Hey, Monica me on my page. Hey, finish this me on my page. Hey, Monica, don't hear about my web Monica. Where sis Mary continue. On the years one, never be years you are like me. Who were calling where you this is not the kind of evil man where you get nuggets. No. I am a working as when we hear the tortoise, and you hear where you not team. Then I am pure with God Almighty Spirit. I am pure, 99% pure. I don't belong to anything. Oh God, boy, I'm working. You think the way you can put your hand easily. If I put my hand, it's not going to worry me. It's going to worry me. Because why? I'm working. Anything you are doing for social media, you consult. Then I don't consult. I don't consult. Anything who can do with social media, whom we are your go. I can't go and all the name of so ubie agbome mi bega ubie why ya una ya mo bogbe eri to me do you think say me go fit do all those things give me a ti we all going to talonya me bani dem dia I go carry you go to no ho itama we ge egbe labokin egbe no so cover mi la egbe no ha mo bo ma iyeri be mi nu mi ari be you e carry better will do that. Because why our forefather do it with annoyance when we are sinner, there is no gain for it. That is why you have the same mindset. Okay, let me go to politics in Tabania. A group in Malawi, have you doing video for Deco for many years or for many months? No. But you come to that group yesterday. All because of you hear people when they come. You be one to claim glory. The same thing with Richard. Before me tell am I be 5 minutes the next thing who saga me na beg your saga investors or saga amoswo because when I take money they come what are they me where they work 247 since 8 years make I identify myself in them not try no machine when no machine me social media me battery now a position are you enjoying it? No, because you're confusing it. But when I withdraw a ceasefire for everybody, I forgive her. Then I have a peace. Whatever she did to me, I say, well, right from the day one, I told my way me down. Understand? I'm not saying me. A prophecy in me every other battery. Where to wire where do what today? I believe where a social media why I am young way by anyway. No matter where we are, but we are a woman in my way. Me, I not tell you say now you go flog this woman more than me. So te wa vivie la dia vie boy la dia ugbe. O masun. Me matter mu we give verse so agbe. Ogbe e sema we. Who's enene? Me matter man. I'm not getting one woman here. Who you know who I be? Say I be light. That is why anywhere as a monitoring spirit, a group on Himalayan, you know there. Who bring you there? Who bring you there? Have you working for APC? No, you are not working for APC. You understand? The last time I checked, if you say okay, no, we still talk about party. Are you whose party you belong to? I belong for APC right from EPN. I have no Ebosto right from EPN. I have fought Ebosto a lot when it comes to Toba. Tell them where is social media. Who make Ebosto a platform where? My only momare. Them they have momare senator mo do pe mo all jema. Right honorable Dennis Idahosa all jema. You never know me. EJ, all jema. Okay, now because I know they want to make people, they are a spirit in all lower. Hello, man. Go see what you don't consume. All this name of say we're bad things for social media. Don't send a video. I'm not sending a video. In more, ni only who you're talk. I know the suffer when I suffer for my children. I don't want to cause any chaos that I will regret myself. But I will wear. Right from the day one, we are biomology. A social cooking. So you don't care. You can't do anything about it. Anyway, you know you are a single. You are a single. How can you tell French government where you have 3 baby mama in one city? Who when you are there, Beno? 3 baby mama in one city, and a government they take care of that 3 baby mama. That 3 baby mama with 4 children. 3 baby mama with 4 children in one country, and they know your and the first baby mama when we go your home. No more kitalire. France here where. I said no here na tell you Benue. Who will betray Okwoni? Okwoni na yata the French government where that fiye le. That is why you don't have a document. Tell me the they give my children documents. Now me they renew my children documents. Even my wife, now me connect because where she have a document for France, now me change her documents. Now me they work. Since 2013, I enter here 2012. 2013, I have my document. Since 2013, Demudia, Imario being winner, you talk. Demudia, I will now wear it when Marvin was here, but you run away. What are you doing in media? Wasting your life for nothing's sake. You say you are running. Niamo and Webisaga. What did they want fear? Guy, now what do you do from your family? Now they go take fear you. When we were here, everybody they die for your family, all because of your papa heritage. No way, no man serious. I need to talk about good morning, my sister. Idiots, no man, all those kind of useless guys. My baby, I rule how to work group with them. Make I identify myself when you're pressing. When no one Monica said, "Oh, damn you can." You are not crying. When Monica me page mighty women way, I don't have the same mind you have, my brother. A mind is very short, but I have a higher spirits. Now I think that I push you instantly. But on that, there is other thing that can change me. See me rests. Oh, where we are so go. Oh, can go a friend in Italy. Who got a phone number? Why are here? Iye no man or rare. Who say no make an hour book when we are moko. Demudia and we can also when we are away by a speaker. We don't have advice. You don't have speaker. And we can time I will not wear book bear. No weta me mema say na ketamu where me bog. But I sat down you, I expose you, or you even way banwana. I'm not going here. Whose society you want join? If you say I talk about, let me say family society. Are you living in family society? No. Oh, who no more your wow, yes, I no be a mo panana, or be a movene, a single mother cano. Uga away you couple, ya hook up, and that when away you couple more with money. Are you living with those children? No. Even where you are able well, take that over Mohammed Dokpa. A street to go here. Let me go to the 5 guys in Uataba. Who are those 5 guys? 5 guys in normal guys. A 5 guys in Meyayimoti Memo. A 5 guys in Meyayimoti Memo are the party. In a Yimoto Meyaya drop here a party. Or a 5 guys in the women. A 5 guys in our view, no more bo. Ni wa agwia sususu. Ni mewo bob. Them with their dad whenever. Those people, they will close to me. Agwa bear you are. Who are those 5 guys? Uni mare mama robosare. Mama robosare. 2 guys already. 2 guys with 2 cars. Or more than a mogobere. when they 5 guys, one mure, they no mure. You declaim a level. We did 5 guys. Else when the 5 guys in it, all of us in not record the where they would war. Then I be ya wherefore. I been don't pay my way. Who will you for it? Oh, we are not move where you were. When we said that give her one small room for a Duro house, a man will get to work for one city. Now, boy, where they give one small room at Duro house, now you go the squad with. I know where you 5 guys. Now that one you they call 5 guys. Evans. Now Duro man the favor one. I mean, I go on the very Duro with Jenny. Now why did Duro the day here? I know where you 5 guys. Where they go here? New Year like France in Ania. You have lived for 3 cities or 2 cities, if I'm not mistaken. There would be an year like France in 1 city of Kanji. 1 city. 1 city in Abelemo, 1 city in Namuna, 1 city in Nabiebe, and there were not that no there. 2 cities in Ania, 2 cities in Ania. Or whoever you are to take, una se via your energy. How many of those social media presenters when you debate, where don't leave their wife and their children, abandon them like that? Tell me. May we not say, yes, you better pass them. How many of them? Who you not say yes? He give birth to children, have a wife or baby mama, he abandoned them without taking care of their responsibility. Tell me, Demudia, apart from you, you want to use yourself content investors. You want to use yourself content investors. Okay, look at the time when me and investors have a misunderstanding. Well, yes, the kind spirit where they you, who not run from you, who not monitor, as the spirit of bad monitor where you be, and you go succeed that person. Look at the time when me and investor do saga concerning Monica issue. Have you seen how we take do saga? We forget. But when it concern you and investor through Monica, it dem dia ugbiye ugbera ugbegboy. I who say na mu ye issue loco. Nothing. You said Barry Laura, you said be money. No one will you not beat because of Monica or because of where heritage when you. But today, Nania. Heritage in your way. Now you are not beating Monica. Where can you move a page? Only why you give excuse. Monica move a page. Don't ver boy. Okay, then Monica move a page. Them they are more boring. Why they move it? But we know you are more boring. Then Monica move a page. Go and bring cost. Let's swear. Wow. That one am a page of Pasoi. Ever finish saga me. Ever me. Emo you live in with 4 children and wife. 6 family. Walk by only 1 stomach where you get. Now 1 page now they carry now. Now you want cry put. Now you want cry put. If you say more talk about that page, I will build it. I will women up. You only dead the Roviero. All those saga no ya mo ba me ya fefe. Hey ya we page ni. Hey ya da. They promote everything. And I'm your way. No matter where I'm your way. Me I not tell you say that page go waka. I mean I not tell you. Very soon this your whole family in me bear muno na very soon of a waka. Very soon of a waka. Because why? You're misbehaving. Even though anybody not buy your page, Facebook will buy your page. Go see the way you depart children come out now. How many times have you seen a business pack children through social media? No, you know kita. How many times? Who will saga? Who will saga? Now when we be here on here, I will have a set on here. A money na do me a picture on where on that being easy and more have a problem but on have. Now what are you going to say? You say the rain. What ya? Spirit gas wama! Spirit gas wama! Why go le favorable and without you not work in yourself? It go hard before they buy you for markets. If they buy you, they will buy you instrument of mass destruction. I said, well, when they bring something come for you for APC, I said, look at this guy. What are you doing for APC? Last time I checked, Labour Party now you can pay for. Yes. Okay. Tell me, whose time you don't work for APC? And they talk about my ladian, you never come out. I'm a okay opponent to Waji. I was there 247. I was working for APC. I was the second in command of the PFM, doing my job to make sure the APC come to power. Now tell me, how many times you don't do video for APC? When you run come a group yesterday, tell me, you want to claim glory. How many times have you worked for APC? Who are you campaigning for APC? Have you worked for Pebble? Have you worked for Deto? Show us those videos. When me agi my police no police in here fefe. And said them there. You will not say well, yes, I be your police. You can't work. You can't gain for what you not work. When time reach, I will ask you. If they bias it all those leaders, I will pepper them. They don't meet them there. Igo me ya sponsor since 8 years. Ima me 1 cent more. Igo we gwalonia. For over 8 years, I've been working with APC. I never collect 1 cent more. If I even they invest my money. 2 times I don't go studio. 2 times I don't do many things. I've been working for APC. Right from Pastor Sagis. Who's the you come here? Who may boast to a day. Me na me do bring you to youth. Even me ya campaign for many years. Well, yes, if you are not a youth, you can't test this 2024. Go and watch my video. I come and play it for you. Hello, sir. I'm on live video, sir. Domo, sir. You read live video. Domo. I will call you. Yeah. I will bear you up. The way you blackmail people full everywhere. Why they go feed their record? Why we both me and small picking way support plan for your life. You just want me that your useless mouth can overcome the glory of all people. Who go have you? They have you who go. Who that he we fiada. My work but I roll your mom with social media na mom. They will not come on. Yare kinu wedo for New Year for 2 years now. New Year kinu medo ni me yare man for 8 years. If you think say me yes, we have the same spirit. I come to repair. I come to position. I come to choose a good leader. Then when they were come to destroy. As I you already a cultist. Doing certain things no way, God is not, let me say, granted. Ogun boya. My baby we say no. Iyeki investors we na navigate we na. A fancy investors we. A fancy investors. You are trying to thief all of them first. Okay, of you can know what that. Oh, well, you might only build the fast of them. You want to make sure say where all the people of the team no got be Monica. Here got be Monica ya de bayani. Oh, here got the festival. Here got be lolo. Oh, ya de bayani. Oh, here got the festival. Oh, all these jore. Oh, ya de baba. Especially ave man no one and Bob. Okay, geve iye go na titimuri. You call the saga atitina. Oh, because of say attitude to ban iye go. The last time I checked, you are the first person not to be a goal again. Una beg bovigbo. All because of where or when you get a more. But today, a new soon na titina be wogger. But you eti guyo. But you can't claim a victory money. You want to make sure say well yes. Tell the young God where made there say can you go when it comes to saga. Umade is sote. Or but if you say more, we talk about the first presenter who don't fair shot that woman. Are you? We support Monica. I can remember. We support her to Ali. Egani mabu where we saga. Uhulo be milaki fo. Edagi bono ya buyego. But today, I'm having na give sununi na gani wogani wukwe ubi adola da saga. That is empty vessels. Umeke nuje. Amwege di ombo dia. Eta be mu wege dia. Usuma no mweza e ma tada on social media instead of we to say the truth. Oh ya cover any make na doguna. On the man eri go na odo asaga mani. That is why isaga John Sagi. And we gba bat in John Sagi. E John Sagi mari go ni na odo asaga John Sagi. Guy. Emi no bo megbe onu me. Ogbon gbo ya wa ho wo. O da ze no ma setting no yokweva ni. Many we yokweva yin yan da. Just did that they make noise. More do aranwa boa. Who wa talo gbe wu talo. Agbon do bere ewu soso. Agbon bere ewu soso ne. That is why they abandon you there. Yagu lu gbanu ero ge Monica do yan sawe. Me agbe Monica olaja. How many times have you shot Monica? Monica na do roll live video message to domumu. Na say so yin. Ofian no even afian no. Monica ma fian me. Ama fian me. Understand? An amigo make me go and sign a contract to fight adultery. Argue where are who said you there? Who said you there? An amigo give me. And then you see the record. But what where them there? Don't not give on your admin Monica. Nobody. Because why? You want to be relevant. You want to be famous. But okay, Kiri the same money can utama no remontano. We're not a Roma, okay, Kiro Mandano, Domino, Mandan. That is why they ignore you. You are not passing with recharge and view where you did buy there. You are not passing with rates. Way to rain. What bear you are. What's the number way group no there? You for know my duty for inside that group. Who will campaign? Who are you campaigning for? Usman no yami aso e wodaro we vieke or did that we group or you are that fighting money up wa jebo wa sun wo mama kini wa go na mi go do. Even for you to come to that group, you are inspired. Because Jebo is campaigning for Aso in Godaro. You are at Jebo 5 and 6. And you have said it before, value you. Even this guy, Agbabola won a campaign for. Have you people withdraw? Agbabola was campaigner. Everywhere, the Badafe withdraw and Amigo for all presenters. Nwaya campaign Agbabola. Okay, Agbabola ya debave dekona. How many times have you come out? How many times have you come out? Come and campaign for Senator Mondo Kwebro. But who won't have the group? For you to know, say, well, yes, arguably, a bodoya take the that spirit of monitor, and he agbe you agree. You can't monitor me, you can't see me. You can't see me. Demudia no we bobo. Unless he email me ni koto. Unless he email me ni yewe. Unless waka say social media. When you tama we gani, tama we. Anywhere where you see I did. Unless now you fair reach there. If now you fair reach there, I go withdraw. But if now me fair reach there, you can't dey inside. Demudia, unless you maintain your lane, and you go take gap with me. If you don't maintain your lane, I will struck you down. That is why you be one match my word yesterday. I struck you down, and I do my proper identification. You are a spirit of monitor. When you monitor, you monitor you monitor even all those guys. You said, okay, you are monitoring spirit. Even at Jebo where you are monitoring, because on your fianu way, monitoring spirits. And anybody know I am anybody know I am that betrayal of Yoruba. Will they bring down I am from them? Sorry, all I am all over the world. But this boy, waiting make me hate I am. I always see it for this boy body. I am a strong man. Who believes in me? What you believe, that is your own. What I believe, that is my own. But when I see you, well, yes, what you believe, now to use and bring people down. Bros, I feel use you castigate all. Also, I don't know where I don't bawa. And actually doing bawa. All the AMA I've seen are close around good things. Bro, they're not near good things. They always betrayed. Even that they betrayed themselves. Ne dem we don't gbogbo or betray the ye ni abo ye gbare won e ya ku e you le little boy when I go tell yes I'm 40 years to 50 years, but look at the way you shot my enemy all because of what stop nonsense you are doing. I will follow you and drop that age. Emeru onu emegba wonu e ten egba wonu e demu dia. A page in a KO family moon with 11,000. Oh, ye. I am me mona gay movie. Gumela bono papania. Then a babunu. Page with Namunwe with 11,000 followers. Oh, ye, your Macberaba. Mabe we can't dig ye. You see why Monica don't answer you? You see why Monica don't send you? You see why Monica no one say make it give you attention so that we cannot build the traffic you. No, you can't build it. You can't build it. Understand? Answer where why am I making you? Why am I making you? And I'm a portion when we are getting yamu ya fe. Or is it una hefwa? Woman suffer follow you all the way from Italy with pregnancy and a child. Your first son. Then that you bring that woman to this place, you not stay with her for 3 months. Even before he gets delivered. Suffer everything. You never stay with that woman one day. You think the one you give belly when they street, a single mother will not get level. Where Bodote do football. But in your moon, not your home level, not to wear a tea package. Umare bomb no mega nabe. Not to wear a tea package. But by the time you know, where is Anabe Demulia? Okbeari Origwe. Who were king echo and umune. Okbeari Origwe. Ah, what be you are. Okoni Muria Bonao. Ogweme. Obiomeneme. Or ye women. A bovio hana. Girlfriend, and now a small girl. Ina koke. Anak bag be girlfriend and boyfriend there for 2 years to 3 years. Ike do mwingo yon. Okay, do swan beer. Okay. Oh, ye na demudia. Where is your own? Small picking. Iye le kote where you go pay a bad price for Italy. Where you get children for you for Bodoye. Where are them? They're under government. Are you know how they live? No. Are you know how they work out for France? No. Now, therefore, give you document before. Yes. Waiting made they come collect the document for you. You betray the woman. You go give another woman belly for outside. A woman who already have a children for another man. You go pregnant that kind of woman. Now, the one where they has confessed. Instead of you to settle them, you have right to marry two women. Okay. You can't even leave the one where you go pregnant. Now the third one, you take you. You never get documents. You never get the money for Europe. You never get what they give you money. But 2 women don't give you belly. Sorry, 3 women don't give you belly. If not be frustration when they see we are and Noah, they'll get a logo. But then they are me where you come meet. Now 1 woman will give me 4 children. Now I see the marriage and I be my queen and I will manage her until death. In battles. You see, how many people you feel insult? Tell me, for this social media, who you never insult? They no want please you. E no ginoa, e lolo noa, e rita noa, e yore noa. They no want please you. Who they money carry? There is a Affinity Saga me web page. They no want please. They no want please you. Yesterday, you bring attitude to your platform. You want to use her and bring from Victor down. Now, where attitude can't do it on, now you are not sagay attitude where we go one. But to hire gain a glory, hire gain a credit, una invite him on the platform where. And we not do a comedy no ya una ya me view. Now, attitude give a war and a base where I'm not so Diana. Now, who will this sagay with Tom and anybody no mago wamu. What we tell me? Ah, we know. I say, when man Wataman, they are watching. They are watching. I live in 5-bedroom flats. Who wake on that time? Admin Wogan and not done. Ovine, or last secondary school. Who wake on that time? If you do Wogan, the so many. Now, very soon, he will be paying his father due as a mom. 5 years, no la abdots. Or where would them dear or robe government? I'm having a yamokia, ye, Oklani way on the side. I got picking. Now I admit you, we bava who buy bury me face to face. Who buy can we bury me face to face in a time I will. Imatiewe, Oka, a pavito, a yewu. For many months, I've never go. Based on a leader in him, I know how I pay homage. Based on a leader in him, I know how I pay homage to my co-leaders. Now, on weekend, when I not say yes, now it be my resting day for work. I call my best friend. When I not say yes, now that day, now I be still be in your own resting day. Guy, Oka Papa, sorry, Oka Mama pass away, we know. We never go there, go greet him. Now, I want more to go. The guy have his own car. I have my own car. As I dey go, you call me. You say, "Pa, you want to see me?" I tell you, say, man, I dey go Oka house. Ah, Baba, I want to make a be with you. I want to make a be with you. I come say, okay, if I reach Oka house, send me your address. Make I come pick you. True. As I reach Oka house, you send me your address. The address where you send me, na camp. Government house camp. Where they put Aduro Sika. Who live there? Evans. Now, who be the guys, the 5 guys where you say they deal with you? Amadi, where don't deal with me for a year. And I'm an Ilo. Evans, where come shop asylum. As we speak now, asylum no grant. If they join me, they ship Canada asylum. Paposki, where we say, Abe, when we don't even feed for Spain, for to Dana and Navarra, Abe for Saturday. For Saturday, I will not tell you my story. People we don't eat from me. Now you they call your guys. Okay, now let's go to the people when they call your guys. Amadi na person when we say is the oldest man for this city. And Amadi Papa and my wife, Amadi Papa. Amadi Papa second wife and my wife, they be seamless. One family. No get any eye second way. Only why a guy well. And Amadi record in Uje. Number 1. Abe, no case at Adere. Be to La Vega. We border man. Abe have eat from me. Abe have benefit from me. Abe have, as we speak, I can bring testing. Let me say evidence. My brother is in Saturday. Now be well, yes. Then would have been married by me more be you are here by any. We have a my guy when we manage by your winner. Even Demi view your wa my take back. Now that one I be your guy. That was 2010, 13. No, 2009, 10 or 11. When my line with Bonacana, only where a guy went. Person when you say you be your guy, I don't they take care of for them that you never come up for Nigeria. That is Abe. Ask Abe. Abe not tell you where you for know me. May we not talk about the Europe system. I know Abe right from Morocco. I don't want to be your guy. And the last time I checked, I don't believe say Abe na eye. But you they claim guy for social media. You see me a guy no mami go ya there a ticket of a boss. Ya ariye ken ovie do pa senior man here na wo. Na my car I can't take carry una. Even when I even flex for there, everything when I flex, na my property, na my food. Na me even carry una go drop una for house. The day when I know say well, you are a devil to send to the people. Demudia, Nike Fimoto, since I've been driving for Europe, I never scratch, let me say, bicycle. I never scratch bicycle. But the day you enter my car, I nearly by person. Okay, no. The day you enter my car, I'll be driving for 10 years before you enter my car. Then I never crash bicycle. But the day you enter my car, I nearly by person. I spent over 500 euros for the accident. Okay, no. If you say a lie, let me bring the person who have the motor and how everything can happen. And you know, so well, yes, a hui motor only no your boy. Ofo, the scooter no do go motor. What's here? Then you have a social media and will make an eye away. It then would total you motor and so he sit down. He begin to make noise. And I in they direct me to where I did go. I ask her more than 50 times, let me hold my GPS. He say, Baba, make I just leave and we just go. When this boy sit down for his motor, the first thing when he talk for man, Baba, this your car clean. And to true, my car clean anyhow. Everywhere they sent. They would do matter, do via mono via quido. They government to go no do ya fen boyo. When you see my 307, 7-seater, na family car. And the motor no a first car yellow, a first, a second, a third, a fourth, a fifth, a sixth. And you know, Duma eh. Ose bute zuo ele na do avia video ne dige stereo do ya kondo are bo gwa me. No bodo people no wet your a padomo. We never come to my house, come eat. And the day no carry I will be a video. Right from 2014, 15, 16. We may allow everyone that the were 2018. But not the one who don't wear the ayimabo. Okay, keri revo. When you enter everyday people shop, domu. Ekana mo where you for pregnant woman, where they forgive you woman, where they for tiseme you be odunga, they give you wife. Now, when you enter there the other day when you come, what happened? They drive you out. But you wanted to form odunga. I did but I want to my interview you on your way. Get out from here. Because someone who says on my boy any. Oh, one man I believe I have a mere one. But when we come to the part where then I am my boy, now me and him, we work as a day to survive. Ivana amigo, Ivana bless, Ivana may not bless. We work as a community. Ivana amigo, Ivana bless, Ivana may not bless. But based on say, Azenuki, no yaki talire, you wanted to cause problem between me and that family. I say, well, after we forgive la we be Monica. When the Monica here we for, when the GBC here we for, Olivier Bodo no GBC here we for. Where GBC work for Bodo? You know say Monica fans. And then when I was a president, if moto ipaki moto you that way a gas a job. You had them in the tobacco. If you see too finely the way the job they go, they fine. Me will not there. Now so they take tongue as I call that for Isha my car. By Bizugbe, social media president. I looked at them. In my me will not there. Me not joke with when I my me. Because why? A man burro no for 6 years, 7 years, my me. Because I did do my job. All what I know. I take care of my family. I work normal. If I want to do anything when I not say yes, it won't give me joy. I know where I go to do them. Because when I did inside I miss, they throw me jail. Let me say I enter jail. But where I can't find myself, I think say I dey help my people. Say me everybody they happy. I don't know say they want to make a cry. I don't they do party again for Bodo here, apart from the one when I do for us. And you see it. And I'm aware a man is a one no, a man is a river. And that's one thing where no party will host again for a Bizugbe house again anymore. Because why Bizugbe want to follow our hand. Who's the Bizugbe come here? But I want to make everybody sure. Whenever you are loving you want, I will if do as they sleep my house. No Nigeria house, and those people have entered like that, they will sleep free. It never happen. My house, if they close to where Nigeria they go club, where Benin they go club. Igbo people will sleep my house. Yoruba, if you go reach Fulani is from Nigeria, then they sleep my house. But the day when I say enough is enough, that we do it in Yawela for Agi you be vago. As I close everything small, I demo the come. I don't dey indoor, and I don't get 3 children. I have to balance myself as a family man. No more street again. He come, he dey hear my echo. He dey find me. They don't tell us say, Papa Desmond, Bizugbe for town, na bomb. This one will they talk so media things. He not too day inside though. He never did media. Not because say they talk about Bizugbe for media. How we take help youths? Bros, I they help youth like wines. I they employ them. I they give them how to fish. And they will fish, they will benefit. I said, well, many of them that I teach how to fish here. Now they get muzzle. Now they walk. Now they get wife for us. Now they get documents. Now they even they do the way they do. All the name of say, well, take care of your family, have a job, focus on your life, build your business at home. But you don't know where don't and some talk power. No. But if from Victor were over here, moto. When I tell you away from Victor, ya lawebo, walk a lato, lawebo from Victor. My papa don't do. My papa don't do. Why you don't stay ask me you carry your papa words? My papa don't do. My papa don't do. Era me u yotone. Also, no man tota yo gwa nera u yotone wan yo. Ogo mama babo ya babebo. Odora wa bo on social media. Oga me no wa we get you No, you are over now. Who are you like? No. My back doesn't hear me. Why am I doing? Oh, then. What about you wear group? No, there. A Canadian senior man, senators, engineers. Before telling us, no. The same team who will allow a group of them can be created what to do yakin social media union. Who will allow the same but you see people that graduate master degree diplomas. They quiet. Who remember no mu effect bush kunu na me will be more la wewa. Who get work favor will not lefa. Under a second one la saga. Ute we do adodigo. That day when we say favorable, we favor anybody that support this government to come to power. You will see and say, me Bishop will hold battle. And we still hold battle. Well, yes, you are one of the people who fight for this government to stay or for this government to come. Unaniro, even one will say, no, any leader who low boy, no, you will not say, na me be the one. Now, this truth and free and fair, we will take work for the party. Now, I want to speak. Believe me. Because I've never seen you doing video. I've never seen you sit down, say, yes, you are campaigning. But when you hear, say, they are coming yesterday. Not how you got there. Not really a day. I see you and I laugh. After we come out, we talk our own. How the name of Sewo Bob? I said, Meno, Mori Ebaro, Yatama, Atama. Unless you started doing video, no, yes. Bisugbe Ogeleu. Mario. What pay you are. Omo done. Imatama, we professor Pati Marian will be Monica. I'm asking where I'm with me. If now only prophecy, when I give you for Monica body, where Jebudia, who is a Monica out of her guy. Obora tamu where Ora come to pass. Etu we atam oboni. Okonu wela jedio word itama where you have personal love for her. Oh yeah, we gbele. You have person, you go for interview. Who went to love them, Monica? Who love them that the kulukulu? Egbani, emi no paro nu kaya fi sage yo. Dem de we fi oran ya. Osisi no wete ya gbe me, alubale tu. Osisi no wete ya gbe me, alubale alubase oti. How feel yo na? Me mata mu we. Now, me na me e page. E Monica na la dan do road yo me dai. Ona ya me kun go. Demudia, Emini mewe kiye kegboy. Emini we na kiye kegboy mewe. Whatever you are doing to the family and with the children inside the family, me where they come insult Monica. I fight. I carry social media president to defend her. Have you heard any post? No. Eva no kegbo Ose who tie boni will walk after one you marry anybody no got bobo anybody no got when talking about that person will go down. Them would no go me now to help and we say you don't understand. More baseki no be nation. Unless I have that spirit to you. Di me ma onu we. On no ma we there. Enieru we me ya. Na te bring you to the arena where investors the mom worry. Momu where do with 2021 DNA hashtag. Momu where? Momu where's at Chikatuari. Now, dem your panu woman, ni he jealousy wepa. Dem your panu yaseme, ni he jealousy wepa. Then you get a Facebook we pay where a Facebook will pay where. I they receive my money. Where receive? Okay, dem you ain't the jealousy wepa. I know even they do saga what you they do. I know they pack picture come out where you they pack come out. I know they insult children. I know they insult mama pikin. Unless una one phone lies for person head, I will come and dismantle you. That is my job as a freedom fighter. I be one with that big budget. Okay, Kegire, where you do atago where or go father go when we are be you do. It's a go no ya help. After your wife and your pikin, you have misunderstanding with them. Now you even offend them. Apologize to them based of the offense where you offend the family. Because you bring your wife and your children. Your wife, you have one child, and plus the pregnancy. Instead of you to stay with her, let the pregnancy come down. So that if you want to do anything, you can do. Stay with her, understand the city will not come. No, you dump her for your uncle house, you run to the street, you pregnant another single mother. You think say that one will carry your liability. When that one say, man, God, you lie to her. You never tell her, say, you bring woman to the city. So you have 2 children for the city. She made a mistake for the first baby. The second one, she just decided, say, well, make she just remain a single mother. She drove you away. She even tell you, say, yes, she will not put your name for birth certificate. The day when you see me, wait till you come to beg me, make I beg Anabe. You say, make I beg her, make you put your name for birth certificate. Orobosa was there. Opposite La Victoire. La Victoire, Maraji. Here we're there. When we got track in the street, because of my personality, voice. No, homie, here, have a corner. And because of my junior brother, Usasu. No way, he has a wire fair. That is why you was looking for my friendship. The day, no so our born, so a character were up because of where I say, make I observe you. The year where the baby mama became 1 complete 1 year. You invite me. That I do construction. Now God say me cannot go. Because why? My friends, when you come, canvas, will follow you go there. They regret. That is why when you go there for the 1 year baby ceremony, they would have. Anabe Queen Welawa. They seek why not do a fee no money. Anabe Queen we total ye. She agree me you sit down. No. As I don't way. And those are waiting you be one go use me. Do all those nonsense. And me myself no say that lady, I was with her here for over 8 to 9 years before you come. She don't have character. She don't know how to greet. Our first child, we don't know where she for carry belle come. Now, woman will be say, a baby Jessica, and here Jessica, she and Jessica Colonna be pharmacists. Better men, better don't men not they go for them. Reasonable men not they go for them. Now, Coco Billy, now they use them, they do carry shop for Coca house, for back of Capuchin. You never come, you don't know that herself. If I know they park for one house as a camp. Now, Spanish man, I get the house. Now, his father house, but he return. So he put all he be like camp. He put that for rent. For back of Capuchin, there, back of police station for Capuchin. Now there for no another. Many of them where they marriage house today. Now there for come out as a show. I know all of them. Now, one day we see and say Jessica Belle. Go give Jessica Belle, we don't know. They say now from Italy carry come. The other day we see and say Annabelle Belle. Who give Annabelle Belle? They say now Spain. Now for carry come. When we wait, maybe we go see the papa of the father of the children. We wait to they go come us now. The kid can't reach 5 years, reach 6 years. Now, so sir, come they drag them, say make they born Jana, or they go collect the house where they give them. First of all, Jessica government collector, because that one they colo. Government collector, the first son, government take them. Pierre. Now he call him Annabelle. Annabelle now based on hair corrupt small, but he do colo. Now, based on the group of guests, as they take come up for that Olusho house. Now so they enter Sigo mother, blah blah blah, biele, now all of them, they team as single mother. What will be their plan? How to carry another belle? They not care whether na kokobiri so far where na mo 1 year na rie benia. Enya gaji. Then would where you forgive Annabelle belle where scatter your house. Now hotel for my backyard. How that hotel be? Now social they give single mother 1 room for my backyard for Capuchin. And then you for pregnant Annabelle. You bring your pikin on your first son. No day you carry your first son go school, but you they carry Annabelle pikin they go school. When no Ghana say, when no say demo there. Annabelle you bop off for street. How Annabelle take avas you? Annabelle get 1 year malady. He tell you say na 10 years now she gets. She come avas you say, we know there are set of women like that. Here why you run so you run now. He come avas you say, if you give her belle, that pikin where she want born. If government give the pikin belle, then you from there get automatically. But you can't forget, say you have the same plan with woman where you bring come from Spain, sorry, from Italy. And the woman, you pay her bride price, and she get your first son from Italy. And she pregnant, una come here together. You know, say, yeah, that is the idea. When God will take favor you, when true come favor you last. But you carry the idea, or Annabelle give you the same idea. You don't know, say Annabelle a trap, although do a wawa. This mumuso, mona list you. He don't know, say yes. Annabelle, the send her come make it come dismantle in house. A woman when you pay a price. And when you get a first son, you don't know. Now, Annabelle come kavasi them with say, if you pregnant me as a boyfriend or girlfriend, from here so, Pikin, when you go born as a baby father, that Pikin will give you paper. Because why? If first Pikin, the first give her paper. Now, this one now you get her, sis, now you want to be the papa of the house, they will give you paper. They can say, many men use her for victim here. Paper not come. If them will come the club, before you know what in the hotel where they give her one room hotel. Now if them will go to sleep with them. The hotel very close to my house, very close to my school, my son's school. Annabelle and my son, they go the same school, Baby call. Now, if them would have to take him, Annabelle's son go school, the one where the woman fair her for another man, he abandoned his own for his uncle house. For Guardian. And he abandoned his wife with pregnancy. Anadu Agba Oresigo mother based off he don't have the new contract. Before that one come born, that one now, and he no even tell Annabelle say he carry wife and pikin come, and that one even pregnant. Like say he tell Annabelle for not grief for them because Annabelle gets now. Oh God, they go borrow bank money, give you. No, you had the trouser yet. May you feel sleep with them. When I see the one where the prince carry come out the other day, Jessica Kolo when I describe it now. When I hear that one story, how that one take carry another FA Bele. When I hear them, now so they be for Bodo. They go no so you get wife and picking everything. They go because why they be single mother, they get access to borrow money for bank. They feel borrow 1,000 because of 1,000. All those boys go for put. Now if they fall for Jessica hand, no you destroy relationship or now. If Belle Jessica will write Caro or write possess the low Bodo. If finania picking and children where you carry come. And I don't go back now, but you don't create a polygamous home. You want to create you can't go create for junkie woman. Jessica, we am see we am see go. We don't do here or mono be any boy of a platform or a domogu. You see woman we can't destroy a beautiful organized family. If you check, the boy not to go for the girl.